a hearing today in Raleigh could have major implications for more than 100 death row inmates, while lawyers for Hassan Bacote say his sentence was tainted by racism.
New this noon, a hearing in a murder case could affect more than 100 death row inmates in North Carolina. It's a landmark case being held this week in Johnston County. Good afternoon to you. I'm Jeff Hogan.
And I'm Renee Chu. Thanks for joining us. The case focuses on Hassan Bacote, a black man who was sentenced to death in 2009 by 10 white and 2 black jurors for his role in a murder case. WRAL's Chelsea Donovan joins us live outside the Johnston County Courthouse. Chelsea.
Yeah, Renee, we just stepped out. Opening statements have concluded here in this case, and the courtroom was absolutely packed, of course, with supporters for Bacote, but also the victim's family. As you mentioned, this is a case that not only focuses on Bacote, but centered around the Racial Justice Act. And this is a law that was passed in 2009 that allowed death row inmates like Bacote to appeal for a new sentence if they could basically state that racism played a part in their conviction. Now, Hassan Bacote was convicted of murdering Anthony Searles, an 18-year-old high schooler in Johnston County back in 2007. Now, a jury sentenced him to death in 2009. Bacote's attorneys now plan to argue under the law that his jury of 10 white people and 2 black people set him up for a racially biased trial, according to the American Civil Liberties Union, which is also representing him in this legal battle. Now, in this trial, lawyers plan to call several historians, social scientists, and others to establish a history and a pattern of discrimination used in jury selection in his trial here in Johnston County as well. Now, the prosecution, however, contends that Bacote's sentence to death was not obtained as a basis on race, and they are asking the judge to uphold the jury's past verdict. Now, we should mention there is no jury in this case, and it's a trial that is expected to last more than a week, and it's one that you can watch on WRAL.com.
It is one we'll be following all week. Chelsea Donovan, live in Johnston County.